Introducing the Dirt Locker Hillside Terracing System, proudly made in the USA from 100% recycled plastic. The Dirt Locker is the ultimate solution for transforming steep, unusable slopes into beautiful, accessible, and erosion-free landscapes. Most slope stabilization solutions are designed to resist nature and gravity, which often causes them to weaken over time and eventually fail. In contrast, the Dirt Locker works with nature, creating an environment where plants can thrive while being protected from gravity, water loss, and nutrient depletion. The Dirt Locker system works symbiotically with plants. As the Dirt Locker helps plants grow, their roots strengthen the system by forming a dense, interwoven network that binds the soil together. This, in turn, enhances the plant's ability to thrive, creating a positive cycle where stronger plants lead to a more stable hillside. Dirt lockers direct the water downward, where it can be absorbed by the roots, decreasing runoff during rainfall, an essential factor in preventing erosion caused by rain and wind. This natural partnership between the dirt locker and plants ensures long-term slope stability and erosion control. This patented system has been trusted for over 7 years, with thousands of successful installations worldwide. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from real customers who've transformed their landscapes with the Dirt Locker system.
At the very beginning when we moved in about 15 years ago, it was just a solid hillside filled with weeds. So once I got all the weeds down, I planted some plants, but nothing would hold, the water wouldn't hold. I couldn't water anything because it would just come straight down the hill. So then we decided to put up the retaining walls, and the retaining walls would hold back the dirt, still having a hard time watering anything. Because even if you dig a little trough, you can't water for more than a couple of minutes without it running down the hill. So I went online looking for a solution to hillside erosion, and the dirt lockers popped up. It seemed to me, engineering-wise, it seemed to tick all the boxes. It seemed to be a solution for what I was looking for. Initially with the retaining wall, it was a great solution. It held the dirt back, created a nice pathway for us to walk up, but I was still having trouble getting individual plants to grow. So when you add the dirt lockers to it, you now have an area where you can put in a single plant. Each plant has its own locker to hold the water. So I can run 20 minutes with a 2-gallon-per-hour emitters, and the water's not going all over the place. Theoretically, it's going to go straight down into the dirt system. The roots are going to go straight down, and everything stays up.
You can hear about it, and you can even hear us talk about it, but when you see it, it's like it creates this, oh wow, because terracing is shifting the slope in usable places where you now can grow plants, and it's almost biomimicry too, because it looks like nature. You look down on it and there's this natural pattern that it naturally creates an aha. Even though I knew what it was, there's something about seeing it. And so when the plants get planted and we've got the drip irrigation, you even got little slots for the drip irrigation. You've thought about a lot of this stuff.
Previously, I could not walk up this hillside at all, and planting on it was impossible given the fact that the dirt just kept coming down. But now with the dirt locker and everything in place, I can walk on it, I can plant on it, and the hillside is not going to fall over onto my house anymore.
You know, we have been in a drought in California, it's seemingly forever, except over the last couple years, and especially this year in 2024, we had tons of rain. We had tons of rain early in the season, tons of rain late in the season, and it was awesome because as that rain fell, first off, my hillside didn't wash away into my boulder retaining wall, but on top of it, again, all of that water was able to get captured by the dirt locker, captured by our hundreds and hundreds of little terraces, and get concentrated right down into the roots of all the plants we put in, so that the benefit was that our garden, our hillside terraced paradise exploded this spring.
I'm Carrie Maxwell, and I live a little bit north of Atlanta, Georgia, and I knew I had a problem with erosion, and I started to get worried about the integrity of my home site. It has a big retaining wall, if anything happened to that retaining wall, my lot would kind of disappear. And I had tried a number of different solutions. Nothing seemed to be a system. Nothing seemed to be cohesive and long-term. And so I continued doing exploration on the web and came across Dirt Locker. Their site was the only site that really showed a complete system, a complete product line, and a way to put it together that made sense, that was reasonable, that was long-term, that was ecologically friendly, and would allow me to use the space rather than just covering it with landscape cloth. So I went forward, contacted Dirt Locker. They put me in touch with someone local, and it's been a remarkable process. It's been very well thought out. A lot of planning went into it, all of which I was involved in. And as you can see, we've made tremendous progress. So I'm looking forward to this as being a long-term solution for me.